Hey everyone, welcome to the Willa channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your Discord mic isn't working. Open Discord, go to settings, scroll down, click on voice and video, and here choose your input device. For me it's this mic, but you might have a different one. To check if it's working, click the test button. You'll see activity here. Now select input mode. Make sure to check these boxes, and I'd also suggest turning off noise suppression as well as echo cancellation. These features might accidentally mute your voice. If that doesn't help, go to your PC's sound settings to ensure everything's working. Check sound settings to confirm you've selected the right microphone. You'll know it's working when you speak and see the bar moving. Also check the sound control panel to verify the correct mic is set for recording. If it's muted, right-click to enable it. You can also increase its sensitivity here, which might help if noise cancellation is blocking your voice. That's all for now. This is Weiler. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.